called Gold Diggers, and it's hosted by Careers on Vacation, and that was the course that I took to become a travel agent, and they are just so amazing. And so I'm going to my first conference, and I thought it would be really fun if I came on and showed you what I had in my suitcase. So I guess we're gonna talk like a little bit about some packing tips and stuff that I do. Some of the ideas I took from other like travel tips, and some of it I have just been doing for years and years and years. So let's get started. But before we can do that, make sure you give my channel a like, a subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you can get future videos. Thank you. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna get started. Of course, we have to start off with my very cute. We're gonna start off with my Mickey Mouse luggage. Do you think it's cute? I love it. So, and I want to know, do you guys use the hardcover like suitcases, or do you use like the cloth suitcase? Like all my life I have been using the cloth suitcases, but I don't know, I may switch over to a hard shell. I'm not really sure. I have like a couple times with the soft cloth suitcases, my luggage, my luggage got ruined from like the airlines and stuff. So I don't know, I'm thinking about it, but I would love to know if you could give me your feedback in the comments below. I would truly appreciate it. So here we go. So first thing is I got these packing cubes, and you can get them in all like different colors, and they come in all different sizes. So that one I just showed you was a medium one, and this one is a large, and this one is a small. And so I decided that I heard that it was really good if you use these packing cubes because it keeps everything organized. And another trick that I have been doing for years is rolling up the clothes. So I definitely rolled up my shorts and my shirts in a nice little roll, and I packed so I have like a bunch of dresses and shorts and shirts, and so I had to pack, so it was for 8 days. So all of my clothes for 8 days is in here. It's incredible. So, and I had it one way, and now I have to like push it over to the other way. So, and then this one that I have here is I have like my bathing suit and my towel, well, a couple bathing suits, and a towel, and socks, and other undergarments and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put that there, and then, well, then I have my cute little sandals, and then here I have just stuff that I need to get ready, like deodorant, makeup, there's mascara, I have like the little travel shampoos and stuff like that. And then of course, like, so that nothing leaks, I also put them in like a plastic bag. And then, I also have my little, my little brush. It's like a brush and hair dryer in one. I love this thing. And then I have my straightener. And I just keep those in this little cute little case. And then, oh, and then I don't know if you guys do it, but I definitely do. I bring like some extra plastic bags because you just never know when you need a plastic bag. I also put like my shoes in a plastic bag too. And oh, of course, you always have to make sure you bring a sweatshirt. I brought my Toy Story sweatshirt this time. And then, of course, well, if you're going to Disney, you definitely need your ears. So this trip, I took 3 pairs of ears. So, you know, we'll see. And so that's very exciting. And that's pretty much, you know, what's going in my bag. So normally I pack a lot more because like 8 days I normally do like a really big suitcase, but I wanted a carry-on so that I could just quickly get through the line. So that's why I did the carry-on. So we'll see how that works, you know. But with the packing cubes, it looks like all my clothes fit. So, you know, I don't have to worry about that. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you is, I don't know if you guys do it, but I also bring like an extension cord, and then of course like, you know, your phone chargers. So, and I'm just gonna like stuff it all in. Now sometimes like I really like over pack, and I have to like squish everything together and basically like sit on the suitcase. Does anybody like sit on the suitcase? I don't know. But it looks like I got everything in. Oh, besides the sweatshirt, like I didn't do that because on the plane you know, I normally get cold, so I'm just gonna like, you know, take it with me. And but other than that, I think I did a great job. Look at that, all packed, zippity doo dah. So